Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a poem, The Owl and the Pussycat. So, students, open your book. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green wood. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up the stars above and sang a small guitar. So students, owl and pussycat, they are going to sea, okay, and they have taken money and plenty of money and honey with them, and they wrapped it in 5-pound note, okay. And owl is singing guitar, means owl is singing and he is playing guitar. Pussy said to the owl, "You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tried. But what shall we do for a ring?" They slid away for a year and day to the land where the bong tree grew. मीन्स पुस्सी कहती है तुम कितना अच्छा गाते हो, तुम बहुत अच्छे फेलो हो और कितना स्वीट गाते हो तुम, चलो हम दोनों को शादी कर लेनी चाहिए। अब कितने समय से प्रयास कर रहे हैं, पर रिंग का क्या होगा, रिंग कहाँ से आएगी, शादी के लिए तो रिंग चाहिए। तो वो एक जंगल में, एक जंगल वाली जगह पे, जंगल वाले जहाँ ट्रीज़ लगे होते हैं काफ़ी सारे, वहाँ वो रुक जाते हैं, वो अपनी बोट को रोक देते हैं। एंड देयर इज़ अ वुड, अ piggy wig stood with a ring at the end of his nose, his nose, with a ring at his end of his nose. मीन्स वहाँ एक पिगी होता है जिसके नोज़ के अंदर रिंग लगी होती है, तो वो कहते हैं, बड़े खुश हो जाते हैं कि चलो एटलीस्ट रिंग मिल गई। इन नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, डियर पिगी यू willing to sell for a shilling your ring, said piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by a turkey who lives in the hill. Means 1 shilling. Shilling actually it is a coin, it is a currency, okay. So in 1 shilling they bought that ring from pig, and piggy agreed to give them that ring, and at least they decided that next day they will get married, and next day they got married by the help of a turkey. Turkey, it's a bird, it's a kind of bird, okay. So turkey made them married. They dined on mince and slice of quince, which they ate with a runcible spoon. Students, it is a spoon which we use with cutleries, okay, and hand in hand on the edge of the sand they dance by the light of the moon, they dance by the light of the moon. So students, this was the poem. After getting married they dined mince and quince, मीन्स होता है कुछ मांस के टुकड़े, और ये क्विंस जो है वो एक तरीके का फ्रूट है, तो उन्होंने उसका डिनर किया, और डिनर करने के बाद में उन्होंने हाथों में हाथ लेकर के वो एक दूसरे के साथ चांदनी रात में डांस करने लगे। सो दैट वाज द पोएम। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉट। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।